Welcome to Dream Abroad with IELTS. Today we are going to discuss about writing module in IELTS. Before going to see writing module in detail, just have a look at what is IELTS. It is an international English language testing system which evaluates your English on the basis of receptive and productive skills. The receptive skills being listening and reading, and the productive skills being writing and speaking. These are the four modules in both general and academic IELTS. Let's move on to writing module. In IELTS, listening, reading and writing are conducted at a stretch for 2 hours 40 minutes, in which writing is going to be your third test. Then what is IELTS writing test? The IELTS writing test is for to assess a variety of different writing skills, including how good you organize your ideas, how good you write an appropriate response, and how good you use a wide range of vocabulary and grammar. IELTS writing test has two parts, task 1 and task 2. Also, it takes 60 minutes for both general and academic test. But the content of writing is little different for general and academic test. Also, you must write a minimum of 150 words for task 1 and 250 words for task 2. This is also same for both general and academic test. This is to say that there is a minimum threshold of word limit. If you write below, you will get a penalty. There is no upper limit. In both academic and general writing test, it is recommended that you spend 20 minutes on task 1 and 40 minutes on task 2. Here, this all time division is up to you to manage your own time. No one will tell you when to move from task 1 to task 2. As I mentioned before, IELTS writing test has two parts, task 1 and task 2 in both general and academic writing test. In general writing test, you will have a letter in task 1 and an essay writing in task 2. In academic writing test, you will have to summarize a text in task 1 and in task 2, you will have an essay. Here you can see the main difference is in task 1 in both general and academic writing test. Now let's see little more detail about IELTS general writing and IELTS academic writing test. First about IELTS general writing test. It has two parts, task 1 and task 2. General writing task 1. In this, you will need to write a letter asking or requesting more information or explaining the situation in relation to a specific circumstances. The letter can be written as either formal or informal or semi-formal way. Formal means write a letter to someone you don't know. Informal means write a letter to a friend or close family member. Semi-formal means write a letter to someone that you know by name and with whom you have a professional or business relationship with. For instance, your teacher, landlord, accountant, etc. Next is general writing task 2. In this, you will be required to write an essay on a topic of general interest. The essay will be in response to a specific point of view or an argument or a problem that will be stated in the question. Here, in general writing task 2, a more personal style can be used. The second one is IELTS academic writing test. It also has two parts, task 1 and task 2. First, about academic writing task 1. Here you will need to summarize or describe or explain the informations in your own words on the basis of an image. The image could be in the form of charts like bar chart, pie chart, etc., or table or diagrams like process diagram, or graphs like line graphs, or map, or combination of charts, graphs and tables. For example, on the basis of this, you may be asked to describe and explain data, or describe how something works, or describe the stages of a process, or describe an event or object. Next, about academic writing task 2. Here also you must write an essay on a topic of general interest. The essay will be a response to a specific point of view, or an argument, or a problem like social problem that will be stated in the question. The issues you need to respond should be easy to understand, and you will need to make conclusions and your own opinions. Here, in academic writing test, your response to both tasks, task 1 and task 2, should be written in a formal style. Last point but not least, all writing tests are marked by certified examiner. Another point is, task 2 contributes twice as many marks to your overall score as task 1 in both general and academic writing test. The scores for the writing test are reported in whole and half bands. For example, band 7, 7.5, 8, 8.5, etc. Another important point to remember in writing test for both general and academic writing test are: write an appropriate response, organize your ideas logically and sequentially, use a wide range of vocabulary, write sentence with accurate grammar, avoid spelling mistakes, and write neatly and clearly. This is it about IELTS writing module. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.